All right. The next job is going to be to put all this back together again after we suck up all this junk. Huh. Oh, wow. Yeah, that wouldn't hurt to do that too. Let's... Oh my. Yeah, okay. Whoa. Okay. And you gotta be in good shape to do this. Not for the weak of heart. That, folks, is my vacuum cleaner saying I am full. Okay. So, how did the cat litter box get over here? Ugh. Yeah. I would say yes. Phase 2. That was in your pipe. is cleaning and BS, which I'm not going to waste everybody's time doing that. But basically what you're going to do now is put the pipe back together again. Loosen up your straps. Put the pipe in. Tighten it up. Push your dryer back. I am going to clean this mess, so it's going to take me a while. Like I said, I don't want to bore you guys with that. So, that's it for now. That's how to clean your vents so that your dryer works again. Yuck. As always, YouTube, thanks for watching. See you later.